Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super fun video. We're going to be doing our holiday decor and taking you through putting up the tree. We got some super fun, I should say unique holiday decor this year. We're not doing the traditional ornaments, or at least I don't think we are. We decided maybe to go more of the natural route for the tree. When we got our tree in, it was like super heavily flocked, and we asked for like light to medium flocking, so we had to go in and like deflock it ourselves, or at least Emilio did, and that was like kind of a process in and of itself. So we wanted more of like a really, I want to say like green tree, and we ended up with a white. So what we're gonna do is kind of like counteract it with more neutrals.
Well, you originally wanted a neutral tone.
I did, yeah.
But the tree's so white, we tried, I think, something like that was like kind of beigey colored on it, and it just like disappeared into the tree. We decided to go for a natural look rather than a neutral look.
Natural versus neutral, because I wanted a neutral. I wanted to get those like neutral vibes going, you know, but things had to change a little bit. So we'll just take you through some of the things we got, and keep in mind that this is like preliminary. If it doesn't work out, we're gonna, you know, go back to plan A, which is like traditional ornaments, but I don't know. We're just like keeping things fun, and
I think it's gonna look good.
Yeah, we already put some things in just to test out, and it looked really, really cute. So anyways, I will go through the first things we got. We got some scented pine cones, and these smell so good. We bought 5 bags of these.
Our house smells great.
Yeah, it smells, you guys, if you just want your place to smell festive and so good, just get a bag of pine cones. And Michael's was having like 50% off, so this was $7 originally, so what is that, like $3.50 a bag. So also Trader Joe's has these for like $3, Whole Foods has these $3 or $4, so super affordable if you just want like holiday decor on a budget. So we bought 5 bags of these. We also got these kinds of branches.
Berries. What kind of berries are these?
We have no idea. But we're gonna put these in
boysenberries?
Maybe boysenberries. We're gonna do, I think, put this in the vase with some olive tree branches that we're gonna pick up. So we're gonna grab some olive tree branches and then decorate with these. Okay, so our other idea was possibly doing like little ribbons in the tree. So we picked up these guys that we might do. And if that doesn't pan out, we got the traditional red. So we're gonna test both out. We got this tree topper. Honestly, we were keeping things on a budget, to be honest, and Michael's was having that 50% off sale. So we picked this up and we thought we'd DIY it. So it's not something we'd usually go for. It's more of like a rustic feel, but I think what we're gonna do is decorate.
Well, I was thinking about putting the boysenberries in there. Can it look matchy to the tree? Because it's gonna have a very woody kind of look with the pine cones and stuff. This one was the only one I could find that had the warm lights in it. I don't like the white lights.
Yeah, the white lights I feel like are too stark. So we picked this guy up, so we'll DIY and see how that works. Just in case. If all else fails. We got some hooks for ornaments. Do you want to go through your stash?
My personal stash? Well, you got this from, where'd you get this from?
Home Goods.
Home Goods. Fill up a
yeah, we have this like beautiful planter type thing from CB2. It's just white and like super minimal and beautiful. So I thought I just would basically dump all of that in there and make it look really festive. And that bowl like lives on our dresser in our bedroom. So I thought, you know, just like cute little ways to make your like tiny corners a little more festive, you know, because I love doing that. So like all the little things. So that was from Home Goods.
I got some snow spray. Tried it on something.
The pine cones.
The pine cone, and it looked okay at first, and then I got it out just now after it dried, and it looked a little crusty, but we'll see. And then just a ton more of these. These are gonna stick into the tree.
Yeah, we got a bunch of those.
Should maybe like a...
And all this was 50 or 60% off Michael's, so I think it was like...
under $2.
Yeah.
For these guys. We've stuck one in the tree before and it looked pretty damn good.
Yeah, it looks really good with the white flocking. We started that like that's our base, so we just kind of decided.
This is the pop of color on the tree instead of the ornaments.
Yeah. Okay, so we also picked up some craft paper from Target and some bows, some neutral red, brown toned ribbons from, I think that was from Michael's.
Yeah.
So Amelia already wrapped my first gift, which was so cute. So this guy here, it's not finished. The only thing that sucks about this ribbon is it's only, one spool is only long enough to go around.
It was this spool, was this?
Yeah,
this thing.
So it wouldn't make it around, but what I'm gonna do is add some olive tree branches and maybe some like dried fruit or something like festive, you know, make it look very organic, super vibey and very cool. But yeah, I love the craft paper for the holidays because I don't know, I just think it looks like warm and cozy.
It's gonna look great with our tree. That's
yeah.
what it's gonna do.
So this is preliminary. We'll keep you updated on what we do with like all our gifts and our wrapping. And that's it. So I guess we'll start decorating the tree and take you with us.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
You're like the real life Santa Claus.
Yeah. Santa Claus of shrubs. Check it out.
Wait, turn around. Turn around some more. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. All the eucalyptus, the pine cone branches, the holly berries, but that's what we found out it's called. And then some of this pompous-y looking thing.
Okay, babe, what you got here?
So I'm gonna put together one of our, I don't know what you would call them, but basically they're just like the little attachment pieces that go on the full garland. So we're gonna make them individually and then we're gonna piece them together. So I'm just gonna create one to show you guys and then we'll show you guys the full garland. So what I'm doing is we've basically trimmed all these smaller sections and we're gonna create like the little garland pieces to attach. So I'll put this on. And then I'll grab one of these to kind of make it look full. So I'm gonna tie this now and we have a little bit of, what do you call this, babe?
Wire.
Wire. So simple, wire.
Let it snow, let it snow.
And then really tighten this guy. And then there you have
Beautiful.
it.
Beautiful.
So it'll lay like this.
Lay it down. Nice.
So it'll lay like this. And then we'll attach sections onto it. And that's how you make the full garland.
Woo!
Okay, baby daddy is on garland duty. I can't bend over very much, so Emilio is gonna put together the full garland and he's gonna attach it
Basically,
one by one.
got the wire under here and it laid out, so I think I've already attached this one to start, but pretty nervous. How's it looking so far?
It's looking beautiful.
5 seconds in. So I'm basically just like where the stem is of the plant of the garland. I'm just kind of trying to cover it up. So Here's the stem part. I'll run this wire down here so it's ready for the next one. Here's the stem. I got the bushy part, cover it up so you can't see that bit anymore. And then run this guy over. Nice and tight. And then next one.
I'm just also so impressed that we found all this in my parents' backyard. I had no idea that this existed up there.
I feel like when we laid it out, maybe it was like a little bit more spread out. So I think we'll use our extras that we had. I really hope this just doesn't all fall apart once we
Pick it up.
Yeah.
Guys, we did it. How freaking beautiful is she? Okay, now we're gonna pick her up. I'm referring to her. This garland is her. And we're gonna place it and take it over to our console. Okay guys, we have finally finished our home decor. We have like a few more elements, a few more touches to put on things, but we're so excited that we have finally finished because it was a task in and of itself, all the DIYing, but so fun nonetheless. We're super excited, so stay tuned. We're gonna be doing another video walking you through everything. So we'll walk you through the tree, we'll walk you through the garlands in our living room and in our office. Everything looks so cute, so we're super excited. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you soon.